Motor vehicle crashes are the leading cause of injury and death in children.
A national average of 4 out of 5 car seats having some type of misuse. With the infant car seats, rear-facing car seats, what we'll often find is that the recline is off. We don't want to impair their breathing, so that is critical, having that correct angle in the car seat. As children are transitioning to those forward-facing car seats, I would say one of the most common misuses is not using that top tether. It reduces the head movement by 4 to 6 inches and just stabilizes the car seat.
Correctly used car seats can reduce the risk of death by more than 70%.
Here are a couple things to look for in a US-approved car seat. There'll be labels showing you how to properly install it, weight and height limits, plus the manufacturer's information. You also want to make sure you've got a 5-point harness with a chest clip.
Car seats do expire. They do have a shelf life, so you want to check that.
You should buy the car seat from a big box store or directly from the manufacturer.
Watch the video, read the manual. It will give you step by step.
Golisano offers free car seat inspections.
You can call and make an appointment to have your car seat inspected and give you a little peace of mind.
Ensuring our most precious cargo is safe and secure. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.